Hey, it's Thursday. Hey, so I have so many things going on right now that I almost forgot it was Thursday and forgot about Thursday Thunder. But this is my point of today. I am producing every day. I am creating every day. I'm writing, I'm recording, I'm doing my audiobooks, I'm creating, recording, I'm writing, I'm producing, I'm making on a daily basis. And so then my Thursday Thunder is less necessary, right? But stickler that I am, I'm going to do it anyway. So, my point today, if you do not have a regular schedule of some kind, if you do not have a reason for doing what you're doing, or if you don't have some kind of accountability, it's going to probably fall through the cracks, unless you're just a diehard and you're going to make it happen. I didn't even bring my tripod. My phone, I wish I could have a picture of my phone. It's on like a branch with another twig holding it up, and I kind of have it here. And if I don't move, and I even tripped over this wire and it all fell to the ground. I even have that on camera. I'll share that later. But my point there is I'm trying, I'm doing, I'm just going to start and I'm going to see what happens. And it's going to be terrible, and that's okay. And then I can re record and do it again. The same thing with your book, for example. So, one thing I'm working on right now is a workshop in November. It's currently called Build Your Brand with a Book. Cool, huh? B. Went a little nuts with the alliteration. In fact, we went even further. What was it? It was from invisible imposter to expert enough. Good, huh? That was one afternoon. Nicolene and I figured that all out. It was great because we met, we created, we revised, we worked more, we had tea. Great. Then we heard music. Yay. So we did it. We took a step. We started. We gave it an effort, and we failed, and we tried again. And here I am on a Thursday because it's Thursday, because I have a deadline. Now I have a partner and I have a reason to do it. Do you have those three things? Reason to do it, like burning heart, desire, partner of some kind. Now I'll talk about the partner in a minute, and then calendar or deadline. I've got a couple of those covered for you. The only thing I don't have for you covered is your idea, is your burning, passionate idea that you want to do to either boost your brand or start up your brand, or something that's just burning a hole in your heart that you have to share with the world. We all have a story. We all have a message that we know others will benefit from. When are we going to get that out? Do you have a deadline? Do you have a partner? In November, Nicolene and I are putting together a workshop, 6 weeks, so mostly November with a week on the front and a week at the end, 6 weeks getting your book done to then boost your brand with that book. So you don't have a book, but you have an idea or you have your expertise, and we are going to create a book out of that. And we are going to try, and we're going to fall, and we're going to fail, and the camera's going to fall to the ground, and we're going to get up, and we're going to try again. But we have a calendar. It's the month of November. We have accountability partners. That would be us. We're going to be with you every step of the way, helping you with your ideas, getting your cover done, getting your words done, getting your chapters built, getting the book formatted, and getting it published in December. Cool, right? So now you have a deadline, you have partners. Do you have your idea? Do you have that idea burning a hole in your heart or in your pocketbook that you need to get out there to build your brand, to boost your company, to get you to the level of expert enough? From invisible imposter to expert enough, because you don't need to be the number one in the world. You need to be better than your client. You need to know more than your customer. That's it. And so if you have a book that shares that knowledge a little bit more than your customer knows, then your potential client, your potential coaching client, your potential whoever they are, if you know a little bit more than they do, or you know it in another way or from a different angle, you're good. You've got partners, you've got a calendar. What's your idea? I'm Bradley Charbonneau. This is Thursday Thunder. I have a weekly deadline with myself to record video, to improve my public speaking, to practice public speaking. Are you practicing your writing? Are you practicing boosting your brand? In November, we're going to do it. Come join us. You go to bbb.repossible.com and find out more. I'll see you next week. I'm here every week. Come join me. See you in November. Bye. Pepper. Pepper. Good boy.